In this video, we're going to talk about using the lay flat option in your render settings to render a design from different angles. As you know in CounterSketch, however you position the ring on the screen is how it will appear in the render. For example, in this design, if I click render, you'll see that the render image is going to show in this angle. As you can see from this render, the ring renders in the same angle as I have on my screen. However, sometimes we'd like the ring to render from a different angle. We can go to our Render Options menu and left-click on the Lay Flat option in the upper left corner and click Close to see how this ring might appear using the Lay Flat option. Now when we do our render, again the image renders through that same angle, but now we're able to lay the ring on its side. Again, using the lay flat option, we get a very different appearance to our render. This tool can also be very helpful when creating pendant renders. Here, I've selected a pendant and added a freehand chain. When I render, I get the piece kind of laying on the ground plane. Now, if we'd like a different layout, we can go to our render options and turn off the lay flat option so that our pendant appears to hover over the ground plane, giving us a different style and perspective in our render. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on how using the lay flat render option can help you create unique and surprising renders.